Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's session will focus on operational qualification for laboratory equipment. Operational qualification, also known as OQ, is a crucial process in regulated industries, for example, in pharmaceutical industry, and it ensures that equipment, systems, or software applications function according to their intended operational specifications and requirements. OQ verifies and documents the operational functionality and performance of equipment or systems. It ensures that they consistently operate within specified limits and tolerances. OQ is conducted after installation of the equipment and before it is put into routine use. Following are steps to be followed during operational qualification of laboratory equipment. Allow technical representative of the equipment manufacturer to carry out operational qualification together with the laboratory personnel responsible for laboratory equipment maintenance. In a situation where you have an in-house technical team that are competent and trained by the manufacturer, they will carry out operational qualification of that particular equipment they are competent in. Carry out operational qualification in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and confirm that all the various functions of the equipment operate as expected. If a system comprises of several modules, it is recommended that you perform system tests holistically rather than performing modular testing, meaning you have to put all modules together into one unit and carry out operational qualification on that particular unit as one. Document the results in equipment operation qualification report. Generate equipment operating procedure or work instruction. This is a document that is going to be useful for the users of the equipment on their day-to-day operation of that particular equipment. Train laboratory staff on the use of the equipment and document the training. Then commission the equipment for use, meaning the supplier or the service provider hands over the equipment to the laboratory for use. That is it for this session. Look forward for another session which will focus on performance qualification of laboratory equipment.